In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate circle in Premiere Pro. So without wasting much time, let's jump on it. So to get started with the animation, I'm going to create a new color matte because I don't want to import any clip. Now that I'm done creating the color matte, I have to bring it to the timeline. Then click on the ellipse tool to make a circle. Now that I've made the circle, I have to head over to the graphics panel. On the graphics panel, I will have to uncheck this fill, then check the strokes. I can as well increase or decrease the size of the strokes, but I think I'm okay with having it at 10. But you can actually play around with what suits you. Then I can align the circle where I want it to be. I can change the color of the circle if I wish. So, but I'm okay with everything. So now that I'm done with that, the next thing is to go to effects. You can just click on Shift 7 and go to effects, then search for clock wipe. Okay, now that I found the clock wipe, I just have to drop it on the circle. So now that I've done that, if I play it, you see that the animation will take place. Alright, that's basically how it is done. But I can as well increase the duration of the animation by dragging out the effects to anywhere I want it to stop. Now that I've done that, if I replay it now, you see that it has increased.